In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Tinder app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app, the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and stop these notifications or alerts that are coming from your app. To do so, you will need to go ahead and access the app information page, and you can easily do this through settings. So I'll go ahead and look for the settings option on my smartphone, and as you can see, mine is here. I'll tap on it. From settings, scroll down until you find this option called apps. Now, depending on your smartphone, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, look for this option called manage apps. It might be more apps or all apps on your smartphone, depending on the Android version and the manufacturer of your smartphone. From here, if you tap on manage app, this would go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now go through the list and look for Tinder. And as you can see, my Tinder app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using this search option here. So once you find your app, go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, you are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. Now, if getting to this app information page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just exit, and then from the list, now go ahead and find your app, and as you can see, my Tinder app is here. Now once you find your app, go ahead and long press on it, and then you'll see these three options: share, app info, and uninstall. If you tap on this second option, app info, it will take you to the same app information page. At this point, look for the option called permission. Under this section, scroll down and then select this notifications option. As you can see, notifications are currently turned to yes. Now, this is the main reason why you are receiving those pop-up notifications from Tinder app. To put an end to this, all you need to do is to go ahead and turn off these notifications. So you can turn one by one off. Alternatively, you can turn all of them at once when you toggle off show notifications here. At this point, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from Tinder app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.